it's Ashley from WTI. If you want a beautiful, easy to use eyeliner, then I highly recommend this one from CoverGirl. This is their Perfect Point Plus ink. This is in the dazzling burgundy color. I have been using this eyeliner every day. I absolutely love it. It goes on really smooth and it doesn't dry out. This has a retractable pen on one side, and then on the other side, it does have the option for you to buff out the color if you want to, and that works really well. I have green eyes, so I really feel like this color pops, but it looks good on every skin tone, and it almost is like a glittery purplish color, a chrome color, and it just glides on so smooth. So if you're looking for a new eyeliner, then I would highly recommend this. Even with the buffer, as you can see here, it stays on really well. You have to really buff it out if you want that more smoky look to your eyeliner. But overall, this is 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend. I'm definitely going to get this in multiple colors. I really like it. And that's my point of view.